Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the nut free recipe of the ever popular chicken korma that is just as delicious. To begin, deep fry 3 medium sliced onions until golden. Remove them to an absorbent paper just as they are about to change color and let them cool. Grind them coarsely without adding any water and keep aside. To marinate the chicken in a large bowl, take 400 grams of boneless chicken. I have used chicken breast for this recipe. You can use chicken on the bone as well. Add in half a cup of curd, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania, coarsely ground garam masala made from 6 cloves, 10 peppercorns, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 5 green cardamoms, 1 star anise, and 1 piece of mace. Next, add in quarter cup of oil. For added flavor, use the same oil you fried the onions in. Mix until the chicken pieces are well coated. Keep aside to marinate for at least half an hour. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in a bay leaf. Add in the marinated chicken and saute on high heat for a minute or two until it starts to boil. Cover with a lid. Reduce the heat and let it simmer until the chicken is almost cooked and the liquid dries up. Add in the ground onions and mix well. Add in half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder and half a teaspoon of kevda essence. Mix well. Add in a bit of water. Cover with a lid and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked and the oil appears on the top. Finally, add in half a teaspoon garam masala powder. Check the salt and add more if required. Adjust the gravy as per your taste. The nut-free chicken korma is ready to serve. Serve hot with parathas or naans. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.